Sustainability has never been more important, especially in the building industry. The building sector accounts for 39% of global CO2 emissions. That's almost twice the amount produced by transport. A big factor here is how much energy buildings use to heat or cool indoor climate. And that's mainly because of how much air comes and goes through open doors. Buildings with automatic doors installed are automatically more efficient. Revolving doors are the most effective option for high footfall areas. Always open to people, but up to twice as efficient as other options at keeping air in. Swing doors are great for accessibility and convenience, and are only open when in use as they close after safe passage. Sliding doors react quickly and quietly to traffic. And even when closed and keeping air out, they still let lots of daylight in. And when two sets of sliding doors are installed in a vestibule solution, they minimize draft and air leakage even more, regardless of weather. There's no doubt that energy-efficient buildings make financial and environmental sense. And installing automatic doors is a great way to achieve better building efficiency. Because when a door saves energy, the whole building saves energy. Visit ASSA ABLOY Entrance.com to find out how we can help make your building more sustainable.